I seen this on a Facebook group here a while back, and it's the first time I've had a chance to do it. Man, when I seen that, I was like, that's one of the smartest things I ever seen in my life. So simple, but yet so smart. We get done with this, I'll just pull the tape off and it'll be super clean. I already used it once. Always clean your grooves out once you get done so it don't set up in there. A trowel is a measuring device, so you got to keep those notches clean or you'll get the wrong measurement. And I just thought that was super smart. Putting tape on it, except for the edges, will keep your trowel nice and clean. Very smart. All right, so put tape on my trowel. Keep from getting glue all over my trowel. Put tape on the top and all over the bottom. Just left a little bit exposed what I need to actually use the trowel. I've done this whole room. This is a 15 by 24 room. I'm completely done. Now the thing I've been wondering about, is the tape going to be glued to the trowel or is it going to come off? We're fixing to find out. We'll get my corner started here and let's see how it does. I think it's going to be good. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it. This is great. Get my corner started with my blade. Looky there. Can't wait to show you this. So looky here. Again, a 15 by 28. I've glued the whole floor all day long. Look at that trowel. It almost looks completely brand new. Now I just got a little bit around the edges, which when it dries completely, I can take my blade and just slice it right off. It's going to be like it was never even used.